Hello everyone! Core Web Vitals, Page Speed Insights. These criteria have become really important, and I'm sure that you are all concerned a lot about these criteria at your website. And today I'm really willing to show you and demonstrate what we have inside the JetOctopus and how to work with it. So we have a new section, page speed, right after below the indexation section. And here we have the overview and the lab data section. So let's go to the overview, and no analysis yet for the page speed. How to use these tools so to get your first page speed analysis? There are two options. First of all, you can use the option in data table, just clicking this button in any data table in any list of URLs. So by clicking this, you will start your page speed analysis of this filtered list of URLs. Or there is another option, choose from the list of preset fetched pages below. You may check your top crawl pages with page speed analysis, checking top visited by logs, Google bot pages, or top pages by Google Search Console clicks, low-end crawl pages, pages less visited by logs Google bot, or pages with less Google Search Console clicks. So you may start here. But to start using page speed analysis, you should set up your API key in the settings. And actually you can reach this page also via page speed integration. And here is the how-to manual, how to do that. This is pretty easy to follow this like 3 steps how to guide and get this API key to start your page speed analysis for all the projects, for all the websites which are inside the JetOctopus already. So having your API key at hand, you just save it and then go to your dashboard. So I would like to start my page speed analysis with the pages which are visited by search bots. I would like to know what is the page speed insights there. So I just go to pages, data table pages. I just join dataset bot logs, URL is presented bot logs. I apply it. I get 147 URLs in this list, and I would like to get this page speed analysis for this list of URLs. And we see that we analyze the bulk of URLs, not just URL by URL, which is really handy and it is a time saver for you. So we just click the page speed analysis. We put the name for it. The pages visited by bots. Device desktop, and there are 147 URLs. So when it is finished, I will get email notification. Meanwhile, I'm going to go to the overview and already have one analysis there. So this analysis is in progress, but I would like to have a look at another one which is already finished. So first of all, why JetOctopus page speed is special. So you are able to analyze a bulk of URLs with just one click. I just said that to you. Then in JetOctopus, lab data is calculated with the help of Google API, not your computer. And the data is true because when it is calculated with your computer, it all depends on the state of your computer, internet speed, and many other factors. And you can easily start your page speed analysis just with one click, no Excel or manual work is needed again. So let's start. We have one of analysis which is finished already, and we would like to know the details. So the total pages in this analysis, the average score. The average page speed score where from 0 to 49 it is poor, from 50 to 89 needs improvement, and from 90 to 100 it is good. Here we have the average score 28, which is poor, and you have to pay a lot of attention here for sure. So pages with poor score, we have the number of these pages, and we see that all of the pages is really fail. Here we have the score breakdown by fail, average, and pass. Then here we have the breakdown of the pages with field data or without the field data. Here we have field data for the last 28 days, which is calculated usually on the historical data, like you need the time for that. So field data is a real user data measured by Chrome User Experience report for the last 28 days. And the lab data, page performance data calculated by a computer, not real user data. It is calculated with the use of Google API here. So here what we have in the page speed overview. And then we have the lab data section, and you see that the progress of new analysis is already 7%. So here we have the details. First, contentful pane, and you will have all this info. And we see that it is really poor. Then total blocking time, again really poor. Largest contentful pane, really poor. Cumulative layout shift, speed index, time to interactive. All the details, what is this criteria about, you will find by this info icon. And again, I make a stress that it is not just URL by URL analysis. You just pick up a bulk of URLs, a cluster of URLs, like category or whatever segment you want to analyze, and you just put it here, just click in page speed analysis button in the data table, or starting from the default preset filtered lists, and get it here. So just picking up the one you want to look at, then the rescan button is used when you already implemented some improvements on this list of URLs and you would like to see the fresh data. So you just pick up the needed list of URLs and push rescan, and it will be rescanned automatically. So I hope you find it really handy. I hope you find it really time saving. We are always open for your feedback. If there are any questions, our online chat is always at hand.